morning, friends. It's Thursday morning, and as you can see, I've had a fairly busy morning. And in this video, I thought I'd take you along with me and wanted you to spend the day with me to kind of get a sense of what my typical day looks like. So I've gotten back into exercising about 2 weeks ago. And then I started a 21-day fix this week. Like fully. I think I did a couple different videos the 2 weeks, but so I typically do the half an hour exercise, and then I do either an elliptical or treadmill either for 20 or 30 minutes depending on how much time I have, and then I'll meditate for about 10 to 15 minutes. I was a little bit slower this morning, so I didn't get as much done as far as cleaning goes, because I usually like to have at least both bathrooms done and possibly even dust my bedroom, but I only got the kids' bathroom done so far, so I will have to come back this afternoon during nap time and finish up cleaning the rest of it. So I did get my beds made and I tidied up, so the cleaning shouldn't take long at all. For breakfast, we are having oatmeal. They are the steel cut oats with 1 teaspoon of peanut butter, 1 teaspoon of maple syrup, a 1/4 cup of almond milk, and a serving of oatmeal. Yeah. So it's about 1 o'clock. The kids have finally fallen asleep, so I had come upstairs and I am going to open up some windows and dust my room, do the deep cleaning for my bedroom, and I will be also deep cleaning my bathroom. Over here I have my cleaning products that I will be using, which if you saw my last weekly vlog, you saw ones I bought. So I use antibac for the toilet and the sink, and then just a foaming bathroom cleaner for the counters, the tub, and the shower. And this is the toilet bowl cleaner that I'm currently using, and I also use my Method Daily Clean wood cleaner for the cabinet. But for my bedroom, I'm gonna try something new. I have seen a bowl full of lemon. If you don't follow her, you should on Instagram. She also has a YouTube, but she's really active on Instagram, and she has a blog. So she uses the Norwex mitt, and she just wets it a little bit and adds an essential oil. I will be trying that out, and I will add the lemon essential oil, and I will use my Sage Tranquility oil in my diffuser in the bathroom when I come and clean it. I'll set it for, I think that one can go up to 6 or 9 hours. I'm not sure whether it goes 246 or if it goes 369, but to the highest, so that way the bedroom will have a nice scent when I come to bed. Hopefully it'll stick around. master bedroom is done. I just need to get my husband to hang up my new sign that I made. I will link the video in the corner for you to see how I made that if you wish. I also have a blog post on it. I also made that frame. If you watch my video, you would have seen it. I can link that in the corner as well. And now I'm going to move on to my bathroom. So the bathroom is done. Brush is drying. Tub is clean. I also have video how I made this, which I will link below for you to see. And I will clean the shower and the mats through the night. Well, the shower after I shower, and the mats, I think it's time to replace them, but because that little footprints don't go away anymore. And the one in kids' bathroom is falling apart. While I was cleaning, I got 2 orders come in, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna share the haul with you next week probably. Well, no, by the time this video comes up, it will be tomorrow, so day after this video. For both of them, but I'll give you a sneak peek. I might show you what this is. So just a little sneak peek what's in here. And then in here, the packaging. So these are the what are these called? Reusable makeup removal pads. I've seen everybody rave about them on Instagram, and they're microfiber. These are so soft. Holy smokes. And they come with a little laundry bag, and some of them on Amazon came with storage case, but I have so many that I didn't need one. And let's see if there's care instruction. No, I don't know what the care instructions are. Probably just, I would assume, in a sanitary cycle is what I would do. But I bought, just like I said, there's 16 pack. And if we like them, I'll reorder them again, because both my daughter and I use these very often. It's time to water my plants. As if I'm gonna get attacked by these birds. They are doing so well, considering we hit snow on Monday. fertilize these once a month. And I also fertilize when I planted them. I'm hoping that they last me all summer. Hi, buddy. I'm just getting my dinner ready. My husband's gonna make them on the barbecue because it's absolutely gorgeous outside. And I just going to mix the seasoning. There's some vegetable seasoning, paprika, thyme, salt and pepper. I'm gonna add some olive oil to it and make like a rub. So the chicken is ready. I'm just rinsing the sink and I'm going to wash it with soap, and then I'm gonna spray it with antibacterial cleaner. I'm just gonna let it sit for a little bit. So kids are just having a snack, and then we're gonna go outside. And for dinner, like I said, there's chicken. I am doing 3 roast potatoes because my husband doesn't eat them. And then we're just gonna do this salad mix, and I have a different dressing for it than the one that it comes with. And all of this is going to be made on barbecue. While the kids are playing outside, I'm just going to take the opportunity and plan out my weekly menu plan so I don't have to do it tonight. And then I'm going to make my grocery list as well accordingly. From the leftover chicken, I will be making some broth because I need some broth for next week. So I'll just put some carrots, celery, onion, and I will put the carcass in, and then just salt and pepper. I actually ended up adding some parsley root in here, and I use black peppercorns. And then I'm going to cook it on low for 12 hours. And I'll have fresh broth for the freezer and for the fridge. So the dinner is done, and I will just wanted to make a little treat for the kids. So I'm making these healthy chocolate peanut butter banana muffins. I'm not sure where this is from. I will link it down below. I'm trying out a new recipe. So I had greased my muffin pan with coconut oil, and here are some of the ingredients you'll need. So some oatmeal, well, what is this? The oats, some oats, maple syrup, dark chocolate, baking soda, the cocoa powder, almond milk, vanilla, I make my own, some sea salt, peanut butter, and 2 eggs. And a blender. Very smooth before you add the chocolate chips, and now you're gonna mix it by hand. touch base. I'm just trying to find some light here. I'm gonna finish the vlog here. I have to do some editing, and I had baked some muffins. I'm gonna show you what's left. And I just had a meeting for work, so that's why I didn't come back. I baked some muffins for the meeting, but some of them got eaten already. So I'm just gonna clean up around here, just some coffee mugs and cups and stuff like that. And my broth is cooking. It's down to 8 hours. So I hope you enjoyed this vlog. If you did, give me a thumbs up, and hope you guys have a great day. Until next time.